Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing really good. Today we are going to do some DIYs for my daughter's room. So the first thing that I've got for her room is for her door. I've got a wooden bar and I'm going to do a nameplate over here. For this is the first thing that I've got from a nearby store. And the second thing is these flowers. If you can see, these are cream color flowers with some light green leaves. The next is these birds with blooms. If you can see, these are green, yellow and pink in color. Yeah. And you would also need a paint. So I have chosen a black because this would be the best color that would go with all the other items that I'm going to use in this nameplate. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. As a first step, guys, using this tape and a pencil, I've written the titles in whichever font style I wanted, and then later I'll start coloring it. So now I'm starting coloring it with a paint and a brush. Guys, I'm done writing the titles and I'm pretty happy that मेरे titles जो भी मैंने इस font में लिखे हैं वो exactly वैसे ही आए हैं जैसा मैंने सोचा था, and it looks really very neat to me. Now what we will do is we'll remove the tape from here and we'll see if I've maintained the alignment. So let's remove the tape now. Okay, so I can see that थोड़े letters इधर उधर हो गए हैं, नीचे से थोड़ा finishing नहीं है. So after giving the finishing, it looks something like this. And now we'll start the decoration part. Okay, so while decorating, guys, please make sure that you don't overcrowd your name board and don't cover your titles. So what I'm going to do first thing is I'm going to check while I'm using these flowers in the extreme corners, they don't cover up my titles, and I don't want to overcrowd my name board. So I'll see whether these birds are really necessary to put and they look nice or not. So I'll just check and see if they look nice. If they look nice, then I'll use them. If not, then I'll let it be with these two flowers only. Okay, so finally we have put all the birds behind and we saw it's looking really very pretty. So we are going ahead and putting all the birds behind the board and our board will be complete. Guys, here is our name board ready. I'm loving it. Isn't it lovely?